Given impedance A in ohms, impedance B in ohms, phasor voltage C in volts, phasor voltage D, phasor voltage E, determine all three phasor currents, J, H, and I. Since the DC circuit in exercise 60 is similar, let's solve that one first. We have an inductor instead of a resistor, and AC sources instead of batteries. Given A ohms, B ohms, C volts, D volts, E volts, determine all three currents, J, H, and I. F equals E minus C is Kirchhoff's voltage law for the left loop. G equals F plus D is Kirchhoff's voltage law for the right loop. Use Ohm's law to calculate current H and I, and Kirchhoff's current law to calculate J. The AC circuit is similar. Given impedance A in ohms, impedance B in ohms, phasor C in volts, phasor D in volts, phasor E in volts, determine all three phasor currents, J, H, and I. F is E minus C, that's Kirchhoff's voltage law for the left loop. D equals F plus D, that's Kirchhoff's voltage law for the right loop. Use Ohm's law to calculate current H and I, and Kirchhoff's current law to calculate J. What is the meaning of these three current phasors? Well, let's plot them and see. Enter them in using the function editor. Assume 60 Hertz, 2 amps maximum will capture the largest signal. 32 milliseconds will give us 2 cycles. J is the largest signal. H is the next largest with an amplitude of 1.57 amps. And 0.432 is the smallest signal.